Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a Google account, a device with biometrics or a secure PIN, and updated Chrome or Android. Once done, go to Google Account Security Sign-In method and tap Passkeys. You'll see an option to create a passkey for this device. Choose it. Make sure to follow the on-screen biometric or PIN prompt to register. This registers a cryptographic credential tied to your device instead of a password. Once you create a passkey, you verify using biometrics or your device PIN. Do this immediately so the key is stored securely. Then enable Google Password Manager Sync to back up that passkey to your Google account. This allows other signed-in devices to use it. Make sure to confirm device trust prompts and set a recovery option, such as your phone number or a hardware key, so you can regain access if a device is lost. To sign in, pick Sign In with Passkey on supported sites and complete the biometric or PIN prompt on your device. You're authenticated without typing a password. If your primary device is unavailable, use another synced device or a registered hardware security key to access your account. If things go wrong, check that Password Manager Sync is active, confirm device security settings, and update the OS or browser. If the passkey still fails, remove and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.